Why whales die on the beach even though they breathe air is not what it looks like. Their body is covered with a thick layer of fat called blubber. Blubber keeps their body heat from escaping and regulates their temperature. When on the beach, they absorb the heat from the sun, but the blubber makes it hard to get rid of the heat. Besides the absorbed heat, they suffocate on the beach. The water buoyancy helps them carry their weight easily. Without the buoyancy, a whale's weight crushes its lungs and suffocates it.
And leads to reflexive actions like biting without a living brain. Did you know that a dead snake can still bite and kill? You see, snakes are exceptionally fast because they strike and at the same time they evade attacks. But it is hard for their brain to process and take care of both simultaneously. So they have pre-programmed nervous systems to enable quick, reflexive actions like biting. It helps them capture prey or defend themselves with minimal delay. Now, the question is, how do they maintain their reflexive actions even after death? The snake's muscles and nerve cells have ion channels that can be activated by stimuli, such as touch. When they die, these channels can still respond to stimuli by creating an electrical impulse. This pulse triggers muscle contraction and leads to reflexive actions like bite.
Dragons, so they give birth asexually, but it has its downsides as it reduces the genetic diversity in the... This female Komodo dragon did not have any males in her life, but she gave birth to 8 babies. This asexual reproduction of an egg without fertilization is called parthenogenesis. It's not that unusual in some plants and insects, but it's rare for reptiles. For some reptiles, like whiptail lizards, this method is their only way to reproduce and churns out all female offspring. But Komodo dragons can do both sexually and asexually, depending on their environment. At most zoos, females live alone and are kept separate from other dragons, so they give birth asexually. But it has its downsides as it reduces the genetic diversity in this female Komodo dragon.
And kill each other for territory and resources. Chimpanzees have strong emotional bonds with their family members. So if something happens to one of them, others get stressed and show affection and sympathy. They also mourn their dead family members, and when a mother dies, another female or sometimes male adopts the baby and cares for it as if it's their own. But this close bond is only with family members. Different families would fight and kill each other for territory and resources.